Welcome. The dance we're going to do now is called I Can't Stand the Rain. It's a 32 count, 4-wall dance. She has it as a beginner/improver. It's choreographed by Weiss in 2020. And the music is I Can't Stand the Rain by Seal. Now this dance is slow. So when you're doing this dance, remember that it is very slow. The one thing I like about it, it's got some really cool jazzy music, but it also gives you time to think. So I'm gonna take it down to my feet and let's learn this dance. Your weight is on your left, right up to go. You're gonna jazz box, and instead of crossing or coming straight down, you're gonna step forward. So you're gonna go over, back, side, forward. You're gonna shuffle forward with your right, and you're gonna rock, recover. That's your first section of 8. Your second section of an 8 is sweep sweeps, but they're count 1, 2. They're not sweep out like an and 2 or 2, 3. They're actually 1, 2. So you're going to go sweep. You're going to 1, 2 with your weight going back on your right. You're going to shuffle back for 3 and 4. You're going to coaster step for 5 and 6. You're going to take a big step for 7 and pull it in for 8. For section 3, you're going to touch, turn, you're going to rock out and cross. Then you're going to step to the side, behind, and cross and cross. For section 4, you're going to hip bump, you're going to 1 and 2, turn a quarter, 3 and 4. You're going to step forward for 5, turn half for 6, forward for 7, and turn for 8. A quarter turn. Now I'm going to run through that part again because my girls had a little trouble with it. You're at an angle, so you're going to hip bump. You're going to 1 and 2, and on 2 you're going to go down. You're turning a quarter turn, and again you're going to 1 and 2, and your weight's going to go forward. You're going to step forward, and then you're going to turn half. You're going to step forward again, and you're going to turn quarter, and you end up actually going a full turn in 3 different steps. And that's the end of the dance. So let's walk through this with numbers. You're going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Sweep 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4, coaster step 5 and 6, pull up 7, 8. You're going to turn 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. You're going to hip 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it starts all over again right here. There is no tags and no restarts. This is I Can't Stand the Rain by Seal. And it starts on rain.
Sweet memory. I can't stand the rain.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, rock 7, 8, sweep 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4, coaster step and step and pull. Turn out and cross, down, behind and cross and cross. Now double hip, step half, step forward, start again, back, side, down, rock, recover, sweep, shuffle, back and coaster step, forward, left, turn, out and cross, side, right and cross and cross. Double hip, step half. Step forward, down, forward, back, side, down, and up. Rock, recover, sweep, shuffle back, cross and step, forward, turn, out and cross, side, behind and cross and cross. Double hip, Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you try this dance because it is fun. My suggestion when you're trying it, though, do all 4 walls a couple, 3 times to get your muscle memory going, and then you'll find it's a lot easier dance than it looks. It's fun dance, great music. I think you'll enjoy it, so give it a try and keep on dancing.